It's our second day at the beach. I think I hyped up the beach a little bit too much. There was a lot of browns and greens. Hopefully we get better shots today. Also learning how to do the beach with a drone. Take two. Okay, extremely windless for the beach, which is pretty amazing, but super cloudy. We'll try it. Down here with the squad. Hey. The squad. You guys all said the same thing. Date day. Date day. You guys know the term. TM, you know it. All right, so we're on Honeymoon Island, and a couple things. Came out to, of course, you know, hold hands and date day. Maybe drone a little bit. After we pay the $8, we get locked into the line. Big sign, no droning. Okay, that's fine. Then we get further in, and they say, rattlesnakes on island. So it's cool. So we're out here like Survivor. Everything looks like a snake right now. Never seen so many snake shapes in my life. Just constantly watching. I'm gonna head back in my shoes and socks.
We're overdressed.
Yeah, it feels weird having this many clothes on.